goes the crow. With a trumpet held in his strong hand, he swings his ears, he squeezes his side. The jungle friends are marching in pride. Parrots cheer from the tallest tree. Monkeys dance and clap with glee. Lions roar a royal beat. Zebras tap their stripy feet. The jungle shakes beneath their feet as drums and laughs and trumpets meet. Each step a rhythm bold and bright in Mr. Elephant's parade of delight.